Keyword Keg is a keyword research tool that helps users find, analyze, and export large volumes of relevant keywords from 11 different auto-suggest APIs, including Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. It offers features like bulk keyword uploads, exportable reports, and automatic intent categorization to streamline your SEO and PPC campaigns. Keyword Keg was a standalone app, but we have decided to fold it into Keywords Everywhere. Now, this is only available to gold and higher plans. If you want more information on the migration and what will change for existing Keyword Keg customers, I've included a link down in the description below with more information to learn more. Now, to access Keyword Keg, click on the Keywords Everywhere browser add-on, then click on Keyword Keg, and here we have full access to the tool. Now, in this video, I want to show you all of the keyword tools that are available. So we have our keyword finder. You can put in up to 30 seed keywords and choose which auto-suggest APIs you want Keyword Keg to pull from to do some serious keyword research. You also can import a list of keywords that you found maybe on Google Search Console or another keyword research tool, and you can do some further analysis inside Keyword Keg. You could also find related keywords, find people also search for keywords, and merge keywords together. Now, first, let me show you the keyword finder tool. Now, we first need to add our seed keyword right here. Now, let's just say we have maybe a shoe e-commerce website or a blog, and we want to do some keyword research and have Keyword Keg pull from various auto-suggest APIs. So one of my seed keyword would be running shoes. I'm going to click on tab to add another seed keyword. Running sneakers is another popular keyword, seed keyword. And lastly, let's type in cross trainers here. You can choose from a variety of different countries, including global. And this is where you choose a specific auto-suggest APIs you want to do your research. So we have Google here. I want to also search for the Bing auto-suggest. Maybe we plan on recording some YouTube videos. So let's do the YouTube auto-suggest. And let's do Amazon as well. And you could also choose from 6 different result types. So there's alphabetical, questions, buyer intent, product info, prepositions, and comparisons. So I'm going to keep all of these result types in here, then click on the search icon and give it a few moments. Okay, so for our 3 keywords and 4 auto-suggest APIs, Keyword Keg found 6,150 unique keywords. Now let's take a look at the keywords, the search results here. So sneakers, running shoes, you could see here, this was pulled only from the Google Suggest API. This is from the United States, and all of our keywords will be from the United States because that's what we've selected. And this green icon will show the result type. So this is alphabetical. Now for the next keyword, running shoes, this was found in the Google, YouTube, and Bing APIs. You could also see the average monthly search volume. Now this comes from Google. You could also see the average cost per click from Google Ads, the competition score, and the value. So this is a product of the cost per click and search volume that helps you compare between different keywords, okay? And you could also see the search trend over the past 12 months. Now, since we have over 6,000 unique keywords, we could also set some filters as well. For example, maybe we want to narrow down the search volume. So let's just say between 1,000 to 5,000 searches, average searches, click on apply. And so it drops down to 358 unique keywords. Now let me filter the keywords by the brand Nike. Okay, so there are 276 keywords with the modifier of Nike. Okay, now I can select all of the keywords and then add them to a list. I'm going to name it Nike, then click on Create, then click on Add to List. Now, if I go to My Keywords, you could view all of your saved keywords right here. If you click on View, you could take a look at all of the keywords you've saved in this specific list with all of the relevant metrics. Now, keep in mind, this is the global metrics. You can select a different country if you wish by clicking right here, and then the metrics will update for that specific country. Okay, now we have the metrics for the United States. And now we could export this report as a CSV, Excel, or a PDF. Now let's select CSV. So right now it is generating the CSV report. And here is our CSV report with all of our keywords, the metrics, the specific search volume every month over the past year, and the result type if there are any. So now you could use this file for further analysis and also share this report to your clients. You also could view all of your previous exports and your filters as well. So as you could see, this keyword finder tool is very valuable in finding tons of unique keywords from 11 auto-suggest APIs. Now let's just say you've found keywords maybe from Google Search Console or another keyword tool, and you want to analyze those keywords inside Keyword Keg. You can import those keywords. You can select a specific country. Let's just do United States. Then I'm going to paste a list of keywords that I found in another tool, one search phrase per line, and click on Get Metrics for my keywords. Okay, so it found the metrics for my 29 keywords. Now we have access to the average monthly search volume coming from Google, the average cost per click, the competition score, the value of the keyword, and also the search volume over the past 12 months. So as you could see, this is a great tool that you could use if you have a specific set of keywords you've found elsewhere, but you don't know their metrics, you don't know their average monthly search volume, and you want to know those metrics. You can copy and paste it into Keyword Keg to find all of that data. Now let's check out the related keywords tool. Let's add our keyword of running shoes here, and let's select the United States. And for the result types, let's click on all of the result types. So we have questions, buyer intent, product info, prepositions, and comparisons. Now let's see what related keywords Keyword Keg found for our seed keyword of running shoes. All right, so it found 176 unique related keywords for our seed keyword of running shoes. So this is a great tool we could use to find closely related keywords from our seed keyword. So we have on cloud shoes, on running, on shoes, Nike running shoes for men, so on and so forth. We of course have the metrics for them as well. Now we know the most searched for running shoe brands. We can better plan what future blog content to create, what pages on our website to create as well, so on and so forth. So if you're struggling trying to figure out what additional types of related content, related keywords you should be targeting on your website, the Find Related Keywords tool is a great one to use. Now let's take a look at the people also searched for keywords. I'm going to type in my seed keyword right here, select my country, and for the result types, let's just say we want questions. So we want to know what questions people are asking related to running shoes. Now let's do a search. Okay, so we have 153 unique keywords that people also search for. Now all of these are the question result types, but keep in mind that they could also have like a secondary result type, as you can see right here. So the where to buy running shoes online search result, it's a question and also a buyer intent. And this second one, what are the best sneakers for running, is also a product info result type. So tons of great keywords here, many of which are very long tail keywords that people also search for that are associated with our seed keyword of running shoes. Now let's take a look at the last keyword tool, which is the merge keywords tool. So this tool will merge keyword modifiers that you add to at least 2 boxes here and turn them into long tail keywords and provide you with the keyword metrics. Okay, so for country, let's do United States. So for this first box, let's type in men, woman, kids. And for this second box, let's type in shoes, sneakers, trainers. And for this third one, let's just say we want good, best. Maybe let's do like white, red. Okay, so we have various like keyword modifiers here. Now let's merge the keywords and generate combinations. Okay, so it merged all of those keyword modifiers together and it was able to come up with 45 keywords. And we also have all of the keyword metrics. So the first one is men shoes cheap. This one has an average monthly search volume of 100. You could check out the average cost per click, competition score, the value, and the search volume over the past 12 months. The second one is women's shoes cheap, kids shoes cheap, so on and so forth. So this is a very great tool to use if you want to bid for keywords with specific modifiers when you are building out your Google Ads campaigns. Also, if you want to find a list of keywords that have specific keyword modifiers that you possibly want to build pages around or blog content around as well. Okay, so go ahead and try Keyword Keg out today. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to check out other videos, feel free to click any of the ones right here, and we will see you in the next one.